Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about what is an actual CDL Class C vehicle. So this can get confusing for a lot of different people. There are actually three types of CDL licenses out there. You can get a CDL Class A, a CDL Class B. Those are the main CDL licenses that you can get. But there is a license called CDL Class C vehicle. So in simple terms, a CDL Class C vehicle is any vehicle that weighs less than 26,000 pounds and transports passengers or transports hazardous material. The most common CDL Class C vehicle is going to be one of these short buses right over here. So anytime you kind of see a school bus kind of like this, which is nice and small, almost looks like a van, a little bit bigger than a Sprinter van type of thing, even an actual van itself that requires a school bus license plate or anything like that, you would actually need a CDL Class C vehicle because that vehicle itself weighs less than 26,000 pounds, but it does transport passengers, which means that you need that license, that license at least to drive one of those. If you have a CDL Class B with a passenger endorsement, you can drive any kind of Class C vehicle as well. The other thing that could be a CDL Class C vehicle is this. This is just a normal pickup truck. But if you were driving, for instance, dynamite around or a lot of hazardous material around and you require placards, in that case you're also going to need to have a CDL Class C license itself. Now the question is, how do you get a CDL Class C license? So depending if you're going to go passenger or hazmat, depending on what kind of route you're going to go. Step number one, you're first going to have to get yourself a CDL Class C permit. First step you're going to have to pass is a CDL Class C permit, which means you have to pass a few different written tests. So you're definitely going to have to pass general knowledge, you're definitely going to have to pass passenger endorsement, and school bus if you're going to drive for a school bus company, or just general knowledge and hazardous material if you're going to be transporting hazardous material around in a pickup truck or maybe a box truck or anything like that weighs less than 26,000 pounds and requires a hazardous material placard. So any of these placards that you see right over here. So after you get the permit, then you're going to have to take the road test just like a normal Class B or CDL Class A. The road test itself is going to be split into three different parts. First part of the test is all about inspecting the vehicle, both inside and out. Second part of the test is actually parking the truck 6 different ways. And third part of the test is actually driving the truck on the road itself. So that being said, here at Driving Academy, we do not specifically train you for CDL Class C, but if you're looking to get a CDL Class C license, we just recommend going for the CDL Class B, because in that case you can pretty much drive anything in the Class C level and above, and it opens up your future because nobody knows. You might have a CDL Class C job waiting for you now, but who knows what 5 or 10 years down the road is actually going to look like. You want to make sure you open yourself up to possibility. Plus, it's going to cost you the same exact thing. It's no difference in the test, no difference in the price, no difference in the actual training, so why not just go for the better course itself? So if you're interested in getting yourself a CDL Class B license with either passenger endorsement, school bus endorsement, we can help you out. So you want to give our team a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our virtual school tour at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.